Hi everyone, myself Harish S. Koppal from Interface College of Computer Application. Today we all know about block diagram. These are the parts of the block diagram: input unit, storage unit, primary storage, secondary storage, control unit, arithmetical and logical unit, output. This is the block diagram of computer. We give data and instruction in the output input, and the given input will goes to the primary storage, and the primary storage will send the data to the control unit. Control unit will analyze the data and it sends to the secondary storage. We call secondary storage and primary storage as a storage unit, and we call control unit and arithmetical and logical unit as a central processing unit. And the next step is the output. We can see the output in the form of information in this output and input. The data and instruction are inputted in the computer using keyboard, which is one of the most common used input devices. Take the data to be processed by the users, convert the given data into the readable form. The input will tells the machine to the inputted data. We use common devices to give the input to the computer, like keyboard, mouse. And next, primary memory. It is the main memory where the operating system resides. Primary storage, also known as main storage or memory, is the area in a computer in which data is stored for a quick access by the computer process. It is a volatile, however, which means the computer is turned off. Everything in RAM is deleted. In primary memory, it is a temporary storage. In primary memory, the devices like hard disk, the data is stored in the hard disk in the RAM. When we accidentally cut the current supply to the computer and shut down the computer, the given input will deleted in RAM. And secondary memory, it can be external devices like CD, floppy, magnetic disk, etc. Secondary storage devices is non-volatile devices that holds data until it is deleted or overwritten. Secondary storage is about 2 orders of magnitude cheaper than primary storage. It is a long time data storage in secondary memory. It stores data for a long time. We store data in devices like CD, floppy, magnetic disks, and so other things to use for store the data in secondary storage. It is non-volatile in nature. And arithmetical and logical unit. After you enter the data through the input devices, it is stored in the primary storage unit. The actual processing of the data and instruction are performed by the arithmetical logical unit. After processing, the output is returned back to the storage unit for further processing or getting stored. We given input to the data to the CPU, and then the data will stores in arithmetical logical unit. And control unit. Control unit acts like a supervisor, seeing that things are done in proper fashion. Control unit is responsible for coordinating various operations. Control unit control unit works as a supervisor that sees the inputted data and analyze the data we given. And next, central processing unit. The ALU and the CU of a computer system are greatly known as central processing unit. You may call as a CPU the brain of the computer. The CPU is the main essential pieces to the computer. It helps the data to analyze and works as a supervisor in the computer. Either the CPU, the computer will does not run properly. And this output is a final stage of the block diagram. All the information we sent to the computer, once processed, is received by the users through the output unit. In this output we can see the information we given to data to the input, and in output we can see the information. It will shows information to the users. We use most commonly devices to see the output is printers, monitor, projectors, and so many things all come under the output unit. Thank you all. This is my today's topic.